Samsung Electronics Company infringes 4 Apple Incorporated patents, including one for the design of the iPhone and one for touchscreen technology co-invented by Steve Jobs, the U.S. trade judge said in a decision that gives Apple another legal victory over its biggest smartphone competitor. 2 other patents, including one for the exterior shape of the iPhone, weren't infringed, U.S. International Trade Commission Judge Thomas Pender said in a notice on the agency's website. The judge's findings are subject to review by the full commission, which has the power to stop goods that infringe U.S. patents at the "Thank you for trying" verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Border. The agency has twice before forced companies to alter foreign-made smartphones if they wanted to keep selling them in the U.S. HTC Corporation phones were held up at the border in May after Apple won a trade case, and the Cupertino, California-based company is in enforcement action pending that accuses HTC of violating the trade agency's exclusion order. Google Include.'s Motorola Mobility Unit was ordered to remove a feature to coordinate schedules from its phones after they were found to infringe a Microsoft Corporation patent. The case in today's ruling is one "Thank you for trying" verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Of more than 3 dozen between the makers of about half of the world's smartphones, who have run up hundreds of millions of dollars in legal bills. Samsung, which lost a $1 billion jury verdict in August against Apple, is challenging a different ITC judge's findings that its own patents weren't infringed by Apple. Smartphone sales. Apple's iPhone is the top-selling smartphone in the U.S., with 34% of the American market in August, almost double Samsung's 18%, according to market researcher ComScore. Samsung is the world leader with more than a quarter "Thank you for trying" verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Of global mobile phones sales, to Apple's 17%. At stake is a market that Bloomberg Industries said grew 62% last year to $219 billion. More than 1 billion people, or about 1 in 7 people worldwide, had a smartphone in the third quarter, according to an October 17 report by researcher Strategy Analytics. While it took 16 years to reach that milestone, the research group estimates that another billion people will have smartphones within the next 3 years. Among tablet computers, Apple had about 70% of the market in the second "Thank you for trying" verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Quarter, compared with 9.2% for Samsung and 4.2% for Amazon.com Incorporated, according to IHS Isoply. UK ruling. Samsung has had better success outside the US in its legal clash with Apple. A Tokyo judge in August ruled that Samsung didn't infringe Apple's Japanese patent for synchronizing music and video data. Apple was ordered to post apologies on its UK website for claiming that Samsung's Galaxy tablet computers copied a design for the iPad when a London court found they hadn't. The South Korean court in August said both companies had violated each "Thank you for trying" verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Others patents on some phones and tablet computers. Samsung, based in Suwon, South Korea, also got a boost when a U.S. appeals court on October 11 overturned an order that would have prevented Samsung from selling the Galaxy Nexus phone in the U.S. while another Apple patent case is pending. The court said that such orders could be imposed only if the patented invention is something that drives sales, not a single feature of a multi-component device. Product changes. The ITC, as an independent agency under the executive branch, isn't bound "Thank you for trying" verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. By the legal standard used in that decision, its job is to protect U.S. markets from unfair trade practices, including patent infringement, and its only power lies in the ability to keep products from entering the U.S. Samsung has submitted documents to Pender about a way to change its designs to address the patent dispute, though the papers are confidential, so it isn't known what changes to its phones are involved. Apple is seeking to block U.S. imports of more than a dozen models of Samsung.